Scooby-Doo. In the number 7, Tony. Out here. Watch the driver's door. In the number 18, Deb. We got win in the number 2, John Sinclair. We're down to 3.5. Once again, we got 4 automobiles running going in this heat. In the number 18, once again, Deb Bergeron. In the number 12X, Scooby-Doo. In the number 7, Tommy Haglund. And in the number 2, John Sinclair. Once again, 1, 2, 3.5. Number 2, the problem down on the far end. Up on this end again, the number 12, X Scooby. In the number 18, Dell. And in the number 7, Tommy. Number 2 is about all done. Coming back here, heads up, Gary. Number 7 once again, running and going right out here.